हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज हम कुछ अलग करने वाले हैं रिगार्डिंग फ्रॉम द शॉर्ट्स एट्सेट्रा। एंड आज हम क्या करेंगे, आज हम हिमालयस का इन डेप्थ थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे टू ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर न्यू टू दिस सब्जेक्ट एंड हु आर नॉट फ्रॉम दिस बैकग्राउंड। सो उनको भी थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो लाइक व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड। सो इट्स वेरी ईजी लोगों को ये कहना कि जस्ट अ मिनट कि ओके एशियन प्लेट यूरेशियन प्लेट के साथ टकराई एंड हिमालयस बोन हो गए। बल्कि असलियत में जो ये प्रोसेस था ये बहुत ऐसे सिंपल तरीके से नहीं हुआ था। ऐसे बहुत सारे इवेंट्स थे जो बीच में हुए और वो कहीं ना कहीं हमें नहीं पता क्योंकि हम उसको डिटेल में नहीं पढ़ते। तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस क्रॉस सेक्शन दैट आई हैव फ्रॉम दिस बुक, सो आई ट्राई टू टीच यू व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड एंड स्टिल द रिसर्च इज गोइंग ऑन, बट द मेजर रिसर्च इज बिन डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ जियोलॉजी जियोफिजिक्स टूल. Okay, so with that it's done, but still if there is something new that comes to it then I probably will tell you. So आप लोगों ने थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक चीज़ें पढ़ी होगी कि हाँ शिवालिक्स आए एंड देन वी हैव दिस लेसर हिमालयाज एंड एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, कुछ इस तरह से स्टोरी बिल्डअप होती है. बट लेट मी टेल यू इन अ मोर टेक्निकल वे. तो आप देखते हो कि जैसे आई एम सॉरी, आई एम फॉर दोज हु आर ऑलरेडी इन जियोलॉजी, आई एम सॉरी दैट आई विल बी टॉकिंग इन अ क्रूड एंड इन अ लेमैन वे because I need to teach other people as well. So imagine we have the two cars and they are crashing. जहाँ पे वो क्रैश करेंगी, मैं आपको बेसिक टर्मिनोलॉजीज पहले बता रही हूँ, उसको हम सूचर जोन कहेंगे. सूचर माने कि एक जोड़, ठीक है. तो सूचर जोन इन जियोलॉजी इज दैट यू विल एनकाउंटर दिस टर्म इन हेयर, सो आई एम टेलिंग यू बिफोर हैंड. ओके, देन वी हैव लाइक दो कलर ड्रग्स. मतलब सपोज कि आपका ये ग्रीन कलर का क्लोथ है एंड ये आपका ऑरेंज कलर का क्लोथ है. तो इन ड्रग्स को आपने स्टिच कर दिया टुगेदर, तो ये एक सूचर लाइन होगी, यानी कि सील दिया गया है. सो ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आइडिया, दिस मेक्स द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आइडिया कंक्रीट. नाउ a suture zone is a boundary where two giant land masses, whether it's a continent or plate, they meet. Okay, when they are collided, so the part of the ocean floor sediments, they just get trapped in between, and these zones look like scars in the earth crust. So Himalayas is not just one mountain range. Okay, it is made up of different layers that have been stitched together, one continent and the other part of side of mountains and another continent and the other part of mountains. So it's the different layers that had been stitched together in the India-Asia collision, and that stitch is called the suture zone. Okay, now let me tell you ki which suture zone I am talking about. So the first okay, let me tell you the units. This is हमारे गंगा के plains, this yellow portion, and the light yellow SH is our sub-Himalayan Cenozoic foreland basin. Then we have the lesser Himalayan. Don't worry, I'm just telling you कि suture zone यहाँ पे कौन कौन से हैं. Then we have the Tethyan sedimentary zone TSZ, ITCZ. This is the first suture zone that we encounter. And before that we have the Zanskar suture zone that is not mentioned over here. This Indus-Angpo suture zone. Okay, then we have the Shiok suture zone, and what else? We have the Zanskar suture zone as well. Okay, this HNMB etc. Yeah, so we have the three suture zone, mota mota. So Indus-Angpo suture zone and Shiok suture zone एंड ज़ांस्कर सूचर जोन. सो इंडस-आंगपो सूचर जोन क्या है कि ये आपका मेन स्कार है, ठीक है, ऑफ इंडिया एशिया कोलिजन का. ये आपका मेन जोड़ है और ये आपकी जो इंडस है उसके अलोंग ये फॉलोअप होती है. अब रिवर के अलोंग ये क्यों फॉलोअप होती है? क्योंकि दिस इज़ अ स्कार. स्कार इज समथिंग दैट रिवर मेक्स अवे इट्स पाथ अलोंग द स्कार. ओके, एंड its rocks are like we have the ancient ocean floor rocks. How do we identify that this is the suture zone? So we have हमारे जो ये समुद्र होते हैं, इनके ancient floor के जो rocks होते हैं वो इस height तक ऊपर आ गए हैं, and ophiolites are something that is a we can say proof. Then we have this Shiok suture zone. It's something that lies north, and between them we have the Ladakh batholith. Okay, and it's a scar. Okay, it tells us about an earlier ocean before the Indus one that existed between the Karakoram and Ladakh. So we have the ocean that existed between them. And people used to tell कि ये Tethyan zone की एक branch हुआ करती थी Shiok that used to exist over here, and that is a Shiok Sucha zone between Karakoram and Ladakh. Okay, and yeah, and then we have the Zanskar Sucha zone. So it's Indian plate that is Zanskar and the Ladakh batholith that we have. So it's just imagine a small scar showing where an ocean once existed before it just got squeezed shut, and we have many ample amount of proofs. I'm just telling you कि कौन कौन से sucha zones हैं यहाँ पे. इसके बाद let me give you how from south to north our Himalayas changes. So I'll tell you that now. So we have the Indo-Gangetic Plains, this yellow one. So ये क्या है? ये हमारे फ्लैट प्लेन्स हैं पंजाब के, हरियाणा के, यूपी के. जो सेडिमेंट्स, ये आपकी रिवर जा रही है तो अपने साथ ये सेडिमेंट्स लेके आ रही है, तो ये उसको डिपॉजिट कर रही है बाय द हिमालयन रिवर्स गंगा, यमुना, इंडस. सो इंडो-गैंगेटिक प्लेन्स इज़ दैट, जो कि सबसे पहले हम इनकाउंटर करते हैं. एंड इट्स लाइक अ जायंट सैंड पिट एट द माउंटेन्स फुट. Supposedly we have the mountains, huge mountains, and just as we go over there, then we have this basin called Foreland Basin. The river is flowing through it, and we have the sediments deposited, alluvium deposited just around it. So that is Indo-Gangetic Plains. Then we have the sub-Himalayas. The sub-Himalayas is also called as the Shivalik Hills, we can say, and they are the youngest mountains that we have. So आपसे अगर कोई पूछे कि हिमालय का youngest part क्या है, so that is a Shivalik Hills. Okay, and it's made of river gravels and sands, and आप ऐसा सोच सकते हैं कि जैसे जैसे इंडिया नॉर्थ पुश हुआ तो जो उनका डेब्रिस मलबा जो है वो स्क्रैप आउट हुआ, तो वो आपके शिवालिक्स हो गए, छोटी हाइट के ये माउंटेन्स, एंड दे आर द यंग. नाउ वी हैव द लेसर हिमालयन sedimentary zone, the third unit, that is stretched along like this. So these are the old rocks as compared to that of Shivaliks, and they are folded and thrusted very well. These are folded and thrusted very well, and they form the green low hills in Himachal and Uttarakhand. It's like कि एक middle के एक layer है जो कि squish out हो गई है आपके collision में. After that we have the Himalayan metamorphic belt, and we also called it higher Himalayan crystallines. So इसकी basically इसका extension 2 branches तक है, TMC. अब you will see कि TMC क्या है. So it's a Somorari crystalline. So in Ladakh we have this lake called Somorari, and around that we have a huge extension of higher Himalayan crystalline to TMC, that is Somorari crystalline, and they have the higher pressure deep burial over there. See, if there is a metamorphic belt, so metamorphism आप एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रख सकते हैं कि there is a higher temperature and pressure. So Somorari crystallines is something that has a metamorphosed rock. Blue schist and eclogite, I know you won't get what these are, but these are the rock that are made up at very high pressure, high pressure environment. But they are present at the Somorari crystallines. So people say, oh, okay, the research says that, so this higher Himalayan crystalline and Somorari crystalline, they both are, same, somewhat extension, the TMC, sorry. Now we have the Tethyan sedimentary zone, the 5th unit, that is present above just, Somorari crystalline. So, ab Tethyan sedimentary zone. What is sedimentary zone is doing over this, metamorphic beds. So these are the marine sediments. जो आपके समुद्र, आपका जो ये समुद्र है, इसके बेसमेंट में आपके सेडिमेंट्स जो हैं वो डिपॉजिट्स होते हैं. तो वो डिपॉजिट्स कुछ हाइट पे इस तरह यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ माउंटेन्स और सो. इनको टेथियन सेडिमेंट्री जोन कहते हैं. सो दे वर द फ्लोर ऑफ टेथियन ओशन. सो दे वॉज दिस ओशन कॉल्ड टेथिस ओशन. उनका फ्लोर ऊपर उठ गया है. अब हम इसको कैसे कह सकते हैं कि ये टेथियन ओशन का बेसमेंट है जो ऊपर उठ गया है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें ऐसे फॉसिल्स मिलते हैं जो सिर्फ डीप मरीन एनवायरनमेंट में मिलते हैं, जैसे कि एमोनाइट्स और शेल प्रूव दिस वॉज अंडर वाटर एंड दिस गॉट अप. ओके, नाउ वी हैव, आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द सूचर जोन. Okay, so what this suture zone is about, it's इंडस सांगपो सूचर जोन. ये एक ऐसा स्कार है जहाँ पे इंडिया एशिया के साथ कोलाइड हुआ था. ये ओफिलाइट्स होते हैं जो कि आपके ओशन क्रस्ट के एंशियंट रॉक्स होते हैं. एंड इट इज़ समथिंग दैट रन्स अलॉन्ग द इंडस वैली. इट्स अ स्टिचिंग लाइन. we're too closer soon, so you know, you can remember like that. And then I have to clean a bit. Yeah. And then we have this huge red color formation, you know, covering. So that is Ladakh batholith. So what is this? एकदम से एक ह्यूज ग्रेनाइट बॉडी यानी कि लावा आया और उसने अपनी प्लेस कुछ इस तरह से मैसिव की तरह बना ली. एंड इट्स फॉर्म बाय द मैग्मा व्हेन ओशनिक क्रस्ट सबडक्टेड अंडर एशिया. Okay, so it represents a volcanic arc route. Then we have the another suture zone, that is Cheoke suture zone. It's another old suture. It just mark एक smaller ocean basin था टेथियन ओशन बेसिन से पहले, जो कि पहले क्लोज हुआ बिफोर द बिग इंडिया एशिया कोलिशन. इज लाइक अ ट्रेलर दैट हैपेंड एंड द मेन मूवी हैपेंड हेयर. ओके, सो दैट इज अ डिफरेंस. देन वी हैव व्हाट? देन वी हैव द ग्रेप ओशन ओवर हेयर. दिस ग्रेप ओशन इज वेयर? आई हैव टू चेक. Here we have this. Okay. This great ocean is Karakoram shear zone just beside the Cheoke suture zone. So this is a major fault. Okay, it's a fault, dextral fault, strike slip fault that happened, and it's a major fault that separates the Ladakh and the Karakoram. The Cheoke suture zone is something that separates the Ladakh and the Karakoram, and this is the fault that. So how did we identify कि यहाँ पे एक फॉल्ट भी है? कैसे? क्योंकि जो यहाँ पे रॉक्स है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग शेयरिंग दिखाते हैं, स्ट्रेचिंग दिखाते हैं, ग्राइंडिंग दिखाते हैं. एंड इट इज़ जस्ट बिसाइड आवर Cheoke suture zone. Okay, now we have what? Now we have this pink portion. So you would be wondering what this pink portion is. So that is a Karakoram batholith complex. So it's a big granite intrusion. Like Ladakh is a batholith, so Karakoram also there is a batholith. So it's a big granite intrusion in the Karakoram mountains that happened. So it's a evidence of long magmas, river of magmas were flowing, and they have very, stiff cliffs. Granite is very stiff and strong. And they have a very huge, slope, like stiff slope. So stiff cliffs in Nubra and beyond, and it's just the reason of this KBC, not the Kaun Banega Crorepati, but the Karakoram batholith complex. Then we have this great ocean just above the Karakoram batholith complex, and might somewhat boring, etc. That is Karakoram Tethyan sediments, or Karakoram Tethyan sequence, we can say. So it's the just marine sediments. समुद्र के अंदर ये marine sediments होते हैं, ठीक है? And it's just deposited in the northern of the Tethys, and it's something that just uplifted along with Karakoram. So समुद्र के नीचे का भाग ऊपर उठ के आ गए. Then we have the partially molten crust. So this is the main thing. We have the PMC just below all of this. The Indian plate is going deep down, and the PMC is just above it. So at depth, the seismic studies shown that the path of crust are still hot and still molten. There is a study because Himalayas are younger. So we can expect, yes, there is a partial molten crust that is just present below all of these mountains. And it explains why the Himalayas and Tibet is rising like a hot inflated balloon, because we have still the partially molten crust. So every mountain we cross is like, we are turning the page of Earth's history. So there are a layer of rocks that we get, okay, and they push like giant cake in a collision, and the sutures are scarred left behind from ocean closure. So India is still moving north, and the Himalayas is still rising, that is few millimeter per year, okay, and earthquake happens because the collision is still going on, not with the same impact as we had before, but somewhat we have impact. And if I would say some other additional things that I can tell about. So Indian plate, like this is the Indian continental crust, and strong and old like the foundation of house. And about the Shivalik foothills that we have just studied over here, it's like youngest mountain I've told you already. And the lesser Himalayas is the green mountains like Uttarakhand and Himachal lower ranges. About the greater Himalayas, we have the Zanskar, Himachal, Garhwal and Nepal. So tall and snowy mountains like Nanda Devi and Kanchenjunga is something that is part of the greater Himalayas, and they are the very hard granites and high grade metamorphic rock. And then we have the Tethyan sedimentary zone. Like if we move further, so we have the Zanskar, Spiti, Ladakh ranges. We find the sedimentary rocks over there, and it was it was a seafloor of Tethys Ocean, and now it's just lifted up. Then we have the Zanskar Suture zone. I've told you that's a scar line. Okay. Ladakh Batholith, I've told you it's a fire core of Himalayas. Indus-Sangpo Suture zone is the main suture. Okay. Shyok Suture zone is further north, and it's just more older than the Indus one. It tells us there was another ocean earlier. Karakoram Tethyan zone, just I would say KT's okay. Beyond Nubra, then we have the Karakoram Batholith, then we have the Tibetan Plateau. This is the southern edge of Asia, which was India rammed into. The collision of the India with Tibet is what created the Himalaya plus uplifted Tibet. So in this way, I would like to wrap up this video, and just one portion is left, I guess. Like I really need to tell you guys is, what are these? These are the faults that we get that help us differentiate between all of these. So what is this MFT? MFT is main frontal thrust. Then we have the MBT, main boundary thrust. Okay. Then we have the MCT, that is main central thrust, that is around here. Then we have it's somewhat bit complicated, but I'm telling you, there is MFT frontal, then boundary, then MCT, then we have the Zanskar shear zone, then we have the main Himalayan. I've already told you main Himalayan thrust was over here. And what else? We have the Indus-Sangpo Suture zone. Okay, and then we have the SK following like that. Then the Shyok Suture zone, Karakoram shear zone, Karakoram shear zone again. And in this way, I would like to wrap up this video. There are some of more modifications that we need, and I hope that you have now a bit of an idea that what is really happening. And if you use Google Earth, let me tell you, then you can see these all faults really easily. You can easily identify the Indus-Sangpo Suture zone, and let me tell you how you can identify it. They have the molasse, they have this red rocks on the top of the mountains following through all the Indian plate, the Tibet, and a huge range like that. So you can do that. So yeah, with this I'll wrap up. Thank you.